Okay, banana and strawberries are ready. Now for the toast and some juice.
The video you just watched was generated using Grok AI, completely for free. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access it and start using it yourself, step by step. Now, if this is your first time seeing my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because I drop videos like this that can literally change how you create content. And if you haven't already, go check out my previous videos. You might be missing out on some powerful tools. Let's dive in. The name of the website we'll be using in today's video is KIE.ai. So once you're on the platform, all you need to do is sign up. You can either sign up with your email or you can simply use your Google account for faster access. Now click on API Markets. Now once you're inside, you're going to be met with this really clean and powerful interface. If you come over here, you'll see some of the models that this platform offers. As you can see, it includes Nano Banana Pro, MidJourney API, Suno API, Sora 2, Veo 3.1, and it even offers Grok Imagine. So basically, these are just a few of the models available, but in total, this platform gives you access to over 64 different AI models. Now, instead of stressing yourself scrolling through everything trying to find a specific model, you can just come straight to this search bar and type in exactly what you're looking for. So in this case, I'm just going to type in Grok, and then go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a new interface, and this is where things get really interesting. This platform is actually giving us the opportunity to generate videos using the Grok AI model completely for free. Now over here is where you can choose the type of generation you want. You've got image to image, image to video, text to image, text to video, extend for making videos longer, upscale for improving video quality. So we're going to start with text to video. Once you click on that, it's going to load up this section right here. This is your prompt box. All you have to do is remove the default prompt and input your own. So let's try something simple. A woman making breakfast in a kitchen. Next, you can come over here and select your desired aspect ratio. I'll be using 16:9. You can also choose the video mode. I'm going with spicy. Then you can adjust the duration. If you want, you can set it to 10 seconds. For resolution, you've got options like 480p and 720p. For this demo, I'll go with 480p. Once everything is set, just click Generate. Now, one special thing about this platform is how fast the generations are, and it even shows you how long it took. As you can see right here, this video took approximately 28 seconds to generate. Once your video is ready, you can simply come over here and download it. Now let's check out the result.
Okay, banana and strawberries are ready. Now for the toast and some juice.
So we've used text to video. Now let's try text to image. I'm just going to paste the exact same prompt I used earlier. Again, I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio and then click Generate. And just like that, the images are ready. As you can see, it took approximately 17 seconds to generate. But here's the crazy part. That 17 seconds wasn't used to generate just one image. It actually generated 6 different high-quality images at once, all from a single prompt. You can clearly see how clean and detailed these images look. And don't forget, everything you're seeing here was generated completely for free. You can also use the image to video mode. To do that, just upload a reference image from your device, adjust your settings, and click Generate. So as you've seen, we've been able to generate both images and videos inside this platform using the Grok model, downloaded everything without any watermark, and did it all for free. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next mystery from my AI Smart Box.